It's a shame that the most talked about utilization of AI is limited to business. But did you know that artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize our education systems? Yep, with personalized study plans, quick grading, and assessment tools, AI can take learning to a new level. If you are a student, an educator, or a person with a knack for learning, this video is for you because we're going to talk about ways you can integrate AI into your study routine. And some cool app recommendations to enhance your learning. Personalized study plans for students. As AI is making strides in the field of education, one of the best ways educators and students are utilizing this technology is by integrating AI tools into their study routines. It's revolutionizing because it helps students and educators personalize their schedules according to their weaknesses and strengths. The menial labor and confusion go out the window as soon as AI comes in. AI apps and technology use something called the knowledge space theory to figure out what you know and what you're still scratching your head about. This way, it maps out the twists and turns of your understanding and presents you with a tailor-made study plan that suits your needs best. The best part is that it identifies those sneaky knowledge gaps that you might not even know exist. Once AI has got the intel, it becomes your personal study architect. Can you imagine studying exactly what you need when you need it? There's less wasted time and more confusion sorted. One such application that allows you to construct personalized learning plans is Century Tech. It's actually so cool because it uses data analytics and cognitive neuroscience to create personalized plans for you. The best part about all this is that all of the plans that come through AI are adapted to your unique learning style. Whether you're a visual learner, an auditory whiz, or a hands-on explorer, AI's got your back. Isn't there some freedom in letting go of the one-size-fits-all approach? We live in a world where gaining education is dependent on learning specialists. People who don't have the resources to access such specialists lag behind. Not to be an optimist, but AI is definitely leaning towards making knowledge accessible to all. It guides you toward the right resources and has your back when you're lost. There's no need to wait for learning specialists to swoop in. Finally, personalized study plans make sure that no one gets left out in these overcrowded classrooms. From elementary school to post-grad lectures, AI's got the power to personalize education for everyone. Virtual tutoring. Personalized study plans are great, but what about the moments when you need a learning specialist to grasp some difficult concepts? Well, AI is your new best friend for that as well. Personal tutors are definitely the unsung heroes of academia who provide you with support to keep you on track and to save your parents from the algebra struggle. First up, as we discussed, AI doesn't just throw random information at you, it tailors your lessons to fill those tricky knowledge gaps. AI tutors do that as well. If you are like us and shy away as a student to ask for help, AI-powered chatbots and virtual personal assistants can save you from all the embarrassment. For instance, apps like Quarium present you with an opportunity to master crucial STEM skills. You've got personalized lessons and step-by-step tutoring assistance to save you from the hassle of everything. The effectiveness of Quarium's approach lies in the AI virtual tutor, which has shown its capacity to enhance the speed, quality, and analysis of student learning. This way, the app contributes to improved student outcomes, and it offers a dynamic and responsive educational resource. The cherry on top of all this virtual tutor fiasco is that you have access to on-demand tutoring without the scheduling hassles. A personal trainer for your brain? Yes, please. Moreover, AI doesn't discriminate based on your wallet size. We can wave goodbye to the old world and welcome the new, where access to top-notch tutoring is no longer a luxury. Customized virtual tutors are all about breaking barriers and leveling the field for everyone. Assessment and grading. The harsh reality of being a professor is that you have to spend a good chunk of your time buried in a pile of assignments. It doesn't matter if you are a kindergarten teacher or a college-level PhD professor, you still have to create and grade assessments and papers. But AI can assist with that too. Firstly, due to its lightning-fast processing power, it can zip through stacks of paper really quickly. For teachers, this means that they can use the same time to focus on the good stuff such as crafting better and personalized lessons. And there's no need to worry about human error, biases, and mistakes in grading either. Teachers no longer have to stress about accidental deductions or subjective judgments. Plus, the most significant thing about all this is that AI provides detailed feedback as well. It highlights the areas where students stumble and it offers tips on how to improve. For students, it means that they don't need to worry about the whys of their grades. AI analyzes grammar, content, and vocabulary as efficiently as a writing coach. Let's take the example of GradeScope. It's a simple and time-saving AI tool that incorporates peer evaluation and streamlined feedback into assessment grading. Utilizing machine learning and AI, GradeScope allows teachers to seamlessly grade paper-based exams, evaluate homework, and manage projects, all within a centralized system. That's pretty cool, right? With key features like AI-assisted and manual question grouping and tailored time extensions for individual students, GradeScope allows for a fair and labor-saving evaluation process. But AI doesn't just provide a way for streamlined grading. It also works like a charm with creating assessments, and it is valuable for both students and teachers. Teachers can conduct assessments in real time, which can then be graded immediately, and students don't have to drown in a sea of papers at home. Say goodbye to the waiting game and being lost in the cracks scenarios. Individual lesson planning for educators. For all things true, it is wrong to discard the fact that teachers are a critical part of our education system, and they'll remain so in the long run. However, this doesn't mean that AI is not a useful tool for them to incorporate into their routine. In fact, it is beneficial for their productivity, efficiency, and as a time-saving measure. Now, how exactly does AI help with all this? For starters, it can inform the teachers with detailed information about their students, including but not limited to learning styles, past progress, and assessment data. In turn, it can help educators focus on the specific needs of each student and reclaim their precious time. This time can then be used for building teacher-student rapport. One such app that allows educators to do so is called Fetchy. The core objective of Fetchy is simple. It allows you to simplify and streamline the multifaceted tasks that educators have to do daily. For instance, it will assist you in creating daily engaging lessons, generating newsletters, and crafting professional emails. Plus, Fetchy's effectiveness lies in the fact that it can cater to the individual needs of educators. On an advanced level, for example, colleges and universities can integrate AI and have done so by creating dashboards. This way, professors and students both have real-time intel about engagement, assignments, and grades. Educators get the lowdown on behavior patterns and decision-making actions to boost those grades. Then you have chatbots, the rock stars of personalized learning. Taking a huge chunk of the burden off the educators' backs, these bots adapt to students' styles and create a unique classroom experience. And for course creators, this is a party starter. AI turns courses into interactive experiences, regardless of the topic. The result? People take away more, and the impact on their lives gets a serious upgrade. Online course recommendations. We know the power of AI algorithms now. They're adaptive and quick, which means less work and more learning. But how about we take this learning up a notch? Welcome to the world of AI-recommended online courses. Even if you're a master's degree holder, it's no guarantee that you know everything in your line of work. In this ever-changing and highly globalized world, new concepts and ideas keep on emerging. With the assistance of AI, there's no excuse to be left behind. Traditionally, if you didn't know something, you'd read a book on it. First, you'd try to search the idea on Google, and then go through tons of information to figure out what's the best approach to tackle it. Well, not anymore. AI algorithms help you analyze every nook and cranny of your past interactions and learning journey. You can see how they recommend content on social media that's just for you. But apart from that, they can cost-effectively help you recommend online courses that tackle your problem in the most well-structured and logical way. It takes away the extra time you spend searching for the relevant book or course and allows you to get to work and learn instantaneously. You get appropriate articles, videos that bring concepts to life, and graded quizzes that can help you progress. No more getting stuck at the basics. You can access all the supplementary material as well. Are you inspired to integrate AI into your daily teaching or studying routine? Let us know in the comments below which method you will be using first, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more videos just like this.